video, my sister opened up her stuff. She had her slime, which turned out amazingly incredible. Can you show this time and how with the spoon out like this? Show it how stretchy it is. It's so stretchy. I can't believe how the slime turned. But today I'm gonna be opening up my stuff. And today I have emoji headphones, which I'm really excited about. And I have these binoculars 8 times like 21. That's really far. And a GoPro. And I'm really excited to open all this up. So let's start off with this. And my sister's working on her slime, so give her a thumbs up and on her video what she did. And if you're not part of the High Five family, welcome to the High Five family. Smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you never ever miss a video. And now we're gonna open this thing up. We'll open it very gently, maybe not. And I got my headphones. Only these look insane. Sophia, my sister's gonna pop the bubbles. Wait, no, not those. The bubbles. And look at these. Those look so cool. Oh my gosh. These look absolutely insane, everyone. These look absolutely insane. Oh my gosh. It has like a little wire just to use our headphones. Oh wow, this is insane. I'm gonna put this out to the side. Let's put this thing, and if you don't know how it looks, here it is. Oh my gosh.
Can you put it on me? I'm gonna leave it like that.
No. She's not keeping it, I'm having it. I am so happy I got these. And next up, don't forget about the binoculars, because binoculars are really cool. This is 8 times 21. So this might go in a far distance, maybe, I don't know. Holy, it comes in a case. You guys, look. No. What? And we have more toys coming up next in the other videos. What? I don't know how to do it. So, but it looks, oh my god. Am I saying what I'm saying? This is insane, everyone. If you ever had these kind of binoculars, comment down below. I'm gonna put it back in the case because it's supposed to be back in this case. If you don't know how it is, the case again, right there. I'm allowed to hold it like this. Hold This looks absolutely insane, people. What if that actually works with this? So let's put it on to the side. Let's see if it actually works with it. Oh my gosh! So I'm really happy. So comment down below if you're liking this. Oh! I am recently so... I can't believe I'm touching this right now. I can't believe I'm touching this. I hope it records whenever I record. So, oh my god! This is the best. This is so fun opening up with you guys. I think this is almost the end of the video, but you just watched this video. Welcome, just welcome to the High Five family. And let's do the high five real fast. I've never done this in a long time. Boom! And we're excited. High five! Another high five! This is so cool. What is inside? What's inside there? We got like a little stand. That's so cool, everyone. I'm gonna be just pulling it out. Right? This is like a little stand for all the stuff. Like to just attach it, everyone. And this is like you can attach it to somewhere like on a thing. So if you don't know what it is, I'm gonna show you. There. So if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. And Sophia, let's do the high five. Boom.